Today, we are going to be upgrading the third box cake. But this time, we're going to be using cherry. That looks good. And we're going to turn into a cherry cheesecake. Cause Cheesecake Day a while ago. A little bit ago. So, we're going to make a cherry cheesecake. And upgrade it. So, let's get started. Okay, it's really simple. I don't know if you can, but it's really simple. You just have to follow the directions on the back. But we're going to be. So, we're going to pour. I'm just going to pour some milk right in here, and whatever your box cake says, how much milk, that happens all the time. It's 1 cup of almond oil or 1 cup of oil, regular oil, with some almond extract. Then
your eggs.
Then my eggs, and I'm gonna do each tablespoon.
1 egg is 3 tablespoons.
One egg is 3 tablespoons. That means 3.
Or you could use flax.
Yeah.
We like to use both. It kind of comes out perfect.
That smells so good. Then you're gonna want to mix it all together. Okay. So when my mom's mixing the batter, I am gonna crush up graham crackers so that it can be the cheesecake crust on the bottom with a rolling pin. That's so funny. Okay, so once you buttered your pan or sprayed your pan, you're going to want to sprinkle several graham crackers on at the bottom of each little tin, like each little thing. So it can make the graham cracker part of the cheesecake. Okay, now I'm gonna spoon my batter in to the special graham cracker holder. That's what I call it now because it's okay, so when your cupcakes are thickened, you are gonna wanna make the frosting. Oh, and remember to just follow the directions on the back for how long. And so what you're gonna need is equal amounts to make. So you're gonna need equal amounts of vanilla frosting and then equal amounts of cream cheese to make it like a cheesecake frosting. We're gonna mix it all together to make a yummy frosting. Okay, so now that our cupcakes baked, we're going to want to frost it, which we pre-did it. Then you want to shave some chocolate bits on chocolate and stuff. Sprinkle it on. Then, of course, everyone, top of it with cherry. Oop. Thank y'all for watching.